2, 1.
Happy birthday to you.
Woo! I liked our distorted singing.
Heredity is the passing of traits from parents to their offspring through genetic information. Heredity explains why children resemble their parents and why certain characteristics run in families.
DNA is the molecule that carries genetic instructions for the development, function, and reproduction of all living organisms. DNA has a unique double helix structure like a twisted ladder.
Select traits from each parent to see what the offspring inherit. What if your parent doesn't have hair?
Well, in this case, we are going to imagine that it has hair, or straight or curly.
I'll put straight, create offspring.
And I will give you a prediction.
Offspring has
Okay,
brown.
so it's just on curly hair. So it's just a prediction. So, genetics has a lot of different concepts. Let's go around different words that you just learned in this topic. Genes, chromosomes. Oh, you're going so fast. Who can help me? Allele. One of the words no one mentioned is heredity. So it's how these traits pass from parents to offspring. Like you could see in the example here in the inheritance game. Who would like to share which traits did you inherit from your parents?
I got my skin tone from both of my parents, and I have dyslexia from none of my parents.
I got my shortness from my mom, and I got my brown eyes from her, and I got her curly hair that is growing.
I love how much awareness you all have about this. Do you think it's ethical to use a genetic testing? That you go to the lab, you take blood, and someone has all your DNA information? What do you think?
Does ethical mean like safety concerns in this way? Or
It can be that about data privacy. It can be any concern that you have. There are pros and cons. And imagine, for example, now how there's a lot of cameras and they can recognize who you are by looking at your eyes.
Maybe a risk could be, for example, if someone tries cloning you for something bad.
Maybe it could get into like the wrong hands, and maybe someone could maybe find you, and maybe don't know if it could involve them stealing your money. I don't know if that involves that.
Welcome to DNA. Let's discover the code of life. What is DNA? DNA is like a recipe book that contains all the instructions your body needs to build and operate. DNA is made up of 3 main parts that work together. These 3 parts combine to form a nucleotide, the basic unit of DNA.
C, I think.
This one I'm not sure.
So T pairs with A, I think.
We say apples in the tree, so TA, and car in the garage. For you to help which one it goes. When you have
So
car, then you...
it's AGC, I think. Or is it? Yes, okay.
And now, my last question, what is the role of the DNA? What does the DNA do?
DNA are what determine your traits and how you look.
Yes, Henry says DNA is a script that makes you you. Bye bye bye. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Ciao, ciao.
Bye.
Bye.